Right, everybody, good morning. And you can see what a beautiful sight. This is futures, NASDAQ future. What a beautiful view going from buy zone. Just yesterday, futures were open. I know US had holiday, but futures were open even yesterday. So you can see very nicely came to this buy zone. Amazing trades from here, and now we're going towards sell zone. We're already up almost 1.6%, going towards these sell zones or resistance area around 2% higher. So these are starting from 22,043 and onwards on Nasdaq. And this is S&P 500 futures, and similar story came around 59.69, now going towards 60.55 and up. These are the area you want to take profits, and then just wait for the dip. This is very amazing view. This is the Dow Jones. Also, you can see same story here, and this is Russell 2000. Amazing pump here on Russell. You can see came to buy zone here yesterday, and it's already up more than 3%. Great. Even Bitcoin, you can see here, what a nice view. Came to buy zone around 1:05 p.m. yesterday, touched like multiple touches here, and then just took off, boom, here around 2.5% here. So you can see very easy trades, and I share these with my subscribers. Click the join button in the bottom description, bottom left side, and join my Discord channel, and let me know user ID if you do the paid subscription. I share even stocks I'm buying, the levels for those. For example, Tesla, I shared with my subscribers. When I'm buying, I bought it here, and look where it is right now. So from here to where it is right now, almost 5% pump, and these are the resistance levels where I'll be looking to take profit, just as an example. Right, guys. So now let's look at overall market. Hit the like button. Only takes 1 second to hit the like button while I'm looking at these. And let's take a look where we can go. And this is S&P 500, US 500 chart. MES chart is here. Long-term target, I'm still looking for 64.32. Top red line, and from where we are right now to that top red line is about 6.3% away. All right, that's just an idea. I want to keep it honest, and want to see where market could go. And this is the SPX chart, cycle chart, looking for a dip and then go higher. And this is live market, and you can see such a nice bounce. You can see in the morning, even yesterday, futures were down, came to this white line, which is 20 moving average, and bouncing from here. So you can see amazing trades here, and looks like it might want to go to all-time high. We will keep an eye on this, and futures are looking very solid here. First of all, it was finding support on green line, and now it dipped lower, and now finding support on this white line. So these two, white and green, are acting as a super support on S&P 500. And this is SPY ETF. Now there was a gap, and there was dividend, I think, today payment, so that's why it's a bit lower. So it's not really relevant to see, but it's already probably filling that gap. We can actually see Nasdaq, which is more relevant because it doesn't have dividends today, and you can see it's trying to go higher. So probably it's going to go to 530.60. That gap filled today. And this is Nasdaq. You can see again similar story, finding support on this white line, 20 moving average, and now trying to go higher to fill this gap around here, around 537. On NDX, that gap is around 21,900, and then on SPX, that gap is around 6,022. So most likely they're gonna go higher and fill that gap. Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is also, you can see, probably the third time found support on this yellow and red line. You can see every time it touches this, finds support, and now also it's going higher after touching the support. Ethereum, same story, but Ethereum is just massive flag. Looks like almost a month-long flag since 10th of May, more than a month, just consolidating, chopping around here between this blue line and then this light blue line and dark blue line, and eventually it's going to break out, and it's going to be the measured move. It all depends on Bitcoin, but it measured move of this breakout, whenever that happens, it's going to be equal to Ethereum. It's going to be 33.57. All right, and that's about percentage wise. Whenever we break out, we're looking for almost 31% pump on Ethereum. So good trades here, possibility. In terms of stocks, looking for Tesla, it's finding issues to close above this white line, struggling since its since 11th of June, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, now 7 day. Very, very struggling very hard to go above this white line. And let's see if it can break out today with this Robotaxi launch planning on Sunday. If it does break out, and if I take a measured move of this breakout, because this could be flag, I'm looking for this previous around 367. All right, this market here. So let's see if we can get that move, and that will be a big move. So let's say from where here, I don't think that's going to happen in one day. 14-15% pump. It's going to take a while. So let's keep an eye on this and see how far it goes. Um, I did take a profit on Tesla, and I told my subscribers I'm taking profit, and then I got back again in. So you can see, I'll show you very quickly. So Tesla, if I go to these zones, here you go, these zones here. So here you can see Tesla was this day, yes, on Wednesday, very nice pump from here to the sell zone. Exactly to the dot is the sell zone. 4.63% higher it went. And you can see here, I told my subscribers, you can see members chat here. And no, sorry, my trades here. You can see I told everybody I sold Tesla, and you can see very nicely near that sell zone. Gave signal to this, and before when I was buying 299, I bought, and you can see here where I sold 330 almost. So easy, a lot of profits there. And then again, I said I'm buying again on this neutral line. You can see I bought again around 320. So I'm sharing this, and you can just copy me and follow my trades. And now you can see again I'm up 327. Again, what I sold for before, I'm going there again. But I'm going to hold for a while on this trade. So you can see such a that's only shared with members, so it's a lot of benefit for you to be member. Again, let's go back to now daily chart, and you can see I'm looking for some higher prices. Eventually, this 402 gap will be filled. I just don't know when, so I'm looking for that at the end. Apart from that, Google had a nice tip on Wednesday, not sure why, but again, sitting on this nice support on this 20 moving average. And Apple is also one of the beast, getting an 8 counts buy signal. And let's see if this can really pump it higher. And Apple target from where it is right now, it's about 7% away. All right, keep that in mind. Let's keep moving and see other stocks or market. Bond market is struggling to go close above this red line. Still not able to close above that. TLT is going towards $85. I will be looking to buy around this $84 TLT. So waiting for that dip whenever that happens. Apart from that, commodity wise, oil looking very aggressive here, very bullish, but this looks like the top. I don't think we're going to reach this top. We'll keep an eye on this, but this could be it. Oil could be going lower, so keep an eye on that. Natural gas also trying to go lower. Gold also, but still it's an uptrend, higher highs, high lows. If gold breaks below 33.14, then it's going to be a change in trend, and we might be going lower. But no point buying gold right now. It's too high. Silver also looks like top is in, trying to go lower. Wheat had a nice breakout a couple of days ago. You can see very explosive breakout. And then sugar also now trying to recover, but it's down significantly. But this could be a good area to buy. Dollar again could be a double bottom here, bottom here, bottom here. So let's see if dollar can finally pick up, but it's very weak compared to all the stocks, and mainly because of all these policies Trump had. Apart from that, Shopify has multiple gaps. AMD was very bullish a couple of days ago. You can see close above this blue line, and now just consolidating above it before it breaks out. MicroStrategy is looking good today as well, and finding support on this yellow and red line. Let's see if it can hold here and then bounce. What else is there? I don't see anything else interesting. If there's any particular stocks you want me to review, put a comment. VIX is now finally crashing, and it could now start to fill these gaps at 19, 18, and then worst case gonna go lower to 14.85. So keep an eye on VIX because VIX tells us every time we get 9 counts buy signal, we know that a market correction is coming, and it's very accurate usually. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Again, hit the like button on your way out, and I will talk to you later. Bye.